Well, welcome back, everybody. Today was completely unplanned, but it's such a beautiful day, I could not let this go to waste. So right now, we are on a no winter maintenance road, passing a very beautiful house, I might add. It is 70 degrees here in Pennsylvania. The sun is shining. It's incredible. So, like I said, I'm on a no winter maintenance road. I completely forgot what trail I'm doing, but the road leading to this trail was in fact not a road at all. It looked like a very wide trail, to be honest with you. So I had to make the satellite view bigger so I can actually follow the roads to get to the trailhead. And I'm pretty confident we should be approaching shortly. So bear with me. State Forest Road, travel at your own risk. This road is open to the public. Travel by licensed motor vehicles. Commercial hauling without a road use agreement is prohibited. No ATVs. Okay, so this says Quarry Trail. The trail we are supposed to be on, or going to end up on, is called Big Rocks. This is a loop trail. We're only doing 2.5 miles today, guys. I just figured it was too damn nice to stay home, sit inside in a non-air conditioned apartment. Why not get out here and enjoy it? We are supposed to get rain later today. We're talking like a 90% chance of rain. There is a high wind advisory today. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But the wind is blowing. It definitely has picked up. Oh, we got some water to start with. Well, all right. Hopefully there's no gators in there. Nah, I'm just kidding. We don't have gators here in PA. Ooh, what's going on over here? We got some critters or people chopping at a tree or something? Interesting. But there's your little, well, it's more of a pond than a lake, you guys. But, yeah. Man, I cannot get over how beautiful it is out here. It's mind-blowingly stunning. But we are on the second week of spring. I do feel we kind of deserve this a little bit. But again, we're out here for a nice little 2.5 mile stroll. So let's keep going. You can hear the frogs and the peepers out there already. It's pretty crazy. Trail blazings today are red. Oh man, it's a little bit of an eerie feeling out here. Like there is a lot of downed trees and the peepers and the toads and stuff, like I said. But we are in the Asaph Wild area. If you guys are subscribed, if not, why not? But if you guys are subscribed, you'll know I went on a 2-day getaway, went camping at the Asaph campground for a couple days with a friend of mine. Sadly, we don't talk anymore. They got upset because I logged out of Snapchat and I needed some time for myself. Kind of odd, if you ask me, but anyway. Wow. Them woodpeckers been killing that tree. Honestly, guys, I would not doubt if we happen to see a bear out here today. it is that time of year to where they're probably going to come out and start eating. I wouldn't doubt if they're insanely hungry. Yeah, kind of spooky out through here today. I'm really not gonna lie. I don't know why it feels so damn spooky, but I need to find a better way to cross here. There we go. My long legs will make it. Boy, that wind is really whipping. I'm sure you guys can hear it. Really, to me, I feel poo. I don't feel poo, but nor do I feel like poo. I feel like this is an odd place to have a trail, is walking along like an opening like this. I don't know. We got a little bit to go before we make a left back into the woods. So, listen to them peepers. Almost there. So we do not go that way. We are actually supposed to go this way. That was fun. First time seeing one of them. Huh. I'm sure there's lots of deer that come through here. There are so many down trees through here. Like, this wasn't nature. I don't feel all of this was nature. Like, see, that's too clean cut. Huh. It's still cold. Even after sitting in my truck in this nice warm weather for about 24 hours. By now, anyway. You can really feel that heat in the sun. There is no doubt about it. Whoop. Right in the mud puddle. Yeah, that heat is pretty crazy today, and the mud is slippery. Wouldn't be the first time I went down. You guys remember I went to Chimney Rock? Yeah, took a tumble there. I took a tumble going down Frankenstein's forehead. That was back when I did the Birchstill Loop and the Green Monster. The Birchstill Loop is part of the Green Monster trail system. So here we go with our big rocks. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go off trail here, guys. Not very far, but we're out here to explore too, right? Yes. That's awesome. Boy, that wind is coming in strong. I don't know if you guys remember the trail I did with my friend Billy on my birthday. It was another trail with enormous, like 30 to 50 foot tall rocks. They were friggin' huge. Avert your eyes. I'm going to put it on the wider lens. Give you more of an aerial view here. My buddy Richie says it's like from looking inside a ball. That's cool. Just a bunch of rocks, you guys, but yeah, something cool other than the trail. Speaking of the trail, let's get back on it, shall we? I am a little bit pressed for time today. As I've told you guys before, I do DJ. I own my own company, Blast Beats Entertainment. If you're on Facebook, check us out. But tonight I have a gig, and this specific bar is hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes away from home. Thankfully, my parents live pretty much smack dab right in the middle. So I usually, instead of driving all the way home, I drive halfway, crash in my parents' spare bedroom, and get back home safe, well rested. All right, we are back on trail. I'm sure that's not the last of it. Oh, there's that car that I passed. Oh, here's some more big rocks. Yay, yay. Check them out. Well, there was a butterfly there, but looks like there's a little bit of graffiti down there. Oh, they literally call it big rocks because there's big rocks. Oh, somebody had a little fire right here. That looks fairly fresh too. Like probably just yesterday. How about that? Huh. Let's take a wander back over to that side of the rocks. I'd be careful of some of these trees. I'm pretty sure are thorn bushes. Yeah, check this one out. See that? Wouldn't want to get your fingers in that. That would suck. Or your body, your torso, even your thigh. Oh, there's another little fire pit. More rock over there. That's pretty cool. Wow. Quite literally, a big rock in the ground. The other cool thing is these little crevices between them. I'm sure one of these days I'm going to be exploring and come upon something that I don't want to come upon. And God forbid someday it be a freaking dead body or something. Something sounded like a engine or a power tool or even a remote control car. Let's get back out of here. If you guys can hear that wind and it's not too much in the microphone, awesome. If you can hear it and it is too much in the microphone, obviously listening back while editing, I'm going to be able to tell. So I do apologize. I'm still working on getting a cord for my other microphone so this sound quality is much better. So yesterday's video, or Thursday's video, I had to re-upload and delete the first one because a friend of mine, actually two friends of mine, they had complained about the sound quality. Like some parts were really high, some parts were really low, just too noisy, you know. So I went back in, I deleted the video, I went back in and I adjusted some music and the clips here where I talk to you. I adjusted some of those levels, and some of them were, I've been using iMovie to edit my videos. It's great. It's an app that comes with the iPhone for iPhone users. You guys know this. But yeah, you can adjust your volume up to 500%, which is way too loud. I don't know why you need anything that loud in a video, but holy crap was it. After listening back, I just had to go back in and fix that. Uh-oh. Red Bull energy drink, winter edition. All right. I'm gonna throw that in my pack real quick and keep trucking. Oh, hello. Man, am I glad I wore these good hiking shoes today. Lots of mud, lots of wet spots. By the way, dudes, we are back in the Tioga State Forest. Again, this is the Big Rocks Trail or the Quarry Trail. I'm assuming that opening back there that we come onto this path or trail used to be a quarry, especially with all them big rocks. So that's just my assumption. I could be wrong. It's funny. It's like a little ditch straight up through the path. I'm assuming there was a motor vehicle that traveled this at one point in time. I mean, obviously, if it was a quarry, then I'm sure there was trucks that did at one point in time. Question: anybody know what these things are? Usually when I see a tree with those, I say a pregnant tree, but again, I don't know what it is. Kind of looks like bark. So that trail we were on continues that way, but we got to go this way. Hooray for mud. Anybody know what that is? Because I sure as hell don't. So that scared the crap out of me because see the orange on it? I thought it was a snake. Oh crap. I kind of feel like we're just walking through the woods here now, guys, but the navigation says we're going the right way. I do not see a blaze trail, like, at all. Oh, we made it out of there. Huh. Well, all right. So we apparently have to walk back down this way. No smoking. Well, no crap. It is gas. We are not going to do that. So, GPS says we have to go back through that way. There ain't no trail that way. I don't see no markings whatsoever. There's not even a worn path in the grass that goes back in. I don't know. Let's just go take a look. I'd rather go on a trail than I would walk the road. But I don't know. This is a little crazy. All right, so I am confused. Totally confused. So the trail is supposed to be like literally right here. I legitimately do not see it. Is that it? All right, so, I mean, this might be it. Oh, man. Y'all, this ain't even blazed or nothing. Well, I think I found it. Holy Lord. What a pain in the backside. I really don't feel this trail is actually walked that much. Got a bunch of trees with, I don't know, what do you want to call them? Tree warts? Cancerous polyps? I don't know. They might be some type of mushroom. Huh. Well, our sunlight went away. The sky is clouding up. I think that rain is going to approach us. It said about 4 this afternoon, but we'll see. Around and winding through the trees we go. Now she widens back out. Not gonna lie, I come out here to relax. And that back there trying to find the trail was a little bit stressful. Like I said, I'm on a little bit of a time crunch today, and I don't want to spend even 10 minutes looking for the trail. 5 maybe. That's all right. But as for 10 minutes is a lot of distance for a guy like myself. 6 foot tall. I got a pretty long stride. So yeah, with this sky clouding up, definitely kind of gloomy out here. All right. Oh, that's where that little white car from earlier sat. Here we go. Not quite on the home stretch, but we're getting there. So far, we have walked 2.29 miles. The trail was only supposed to be 2.4. I think I've walked longer because, well, when we got to those gas pipes there, I got a little bit lost and lost the trail. So, got me a little walking stick. But, yeah, we're more or less on the home stretch. But the weather was just too nice for me to sit inside. Originally, I wasn't going to come out here. I was going to go to Ithaca to the, what is it, Cayuga or Cayuga? I don't know. There's like a wilderness or wildlife center. I was going to go there because they have something pretty awesome I wanted to show you guys. But being the nice weather, I figured, and a Saturday, I figured the place would probably be crowded. So, and you guys know me, I prefer doing things basically by myself. I don't know if you guys can see them clouds behind me, but they're getting damn dark, and these trees are really starting to wobble. The wind is definitely picking up. I'm honestly not too far away from the vehicle, so I'm gonna keep moving here, obviously. I really don't want to get wet, but thankfully if I do, it's still kind of warm enough that I'm not going to freeze. Yeah, buddy. A little bit of water. Apparently, we got to cross. This, I think. Yeah. I'm guessing it used to be a bit bigger of a bridge, but. Huh. Pretty cool. Ooh, they move. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Down there's a truck a little bit. We come from that way. But, yeah, buddy. Another trail down, you guys. That's crazy, y'all. That is nuts. Oh, I gotta get out of here. I'm super happy that I decided to do this. I don't know why I didn't do this hiking, camping, outdoor business before. But, anywho, y'all, just like every time, y'all stay safe, stay healthy, stay dry, and y'all please be good to each other. Man, them winds were crazy. I better get out of here.